Hi viewers, welcome back to my channel. And in today's video I'm gonna be showing you how to activate your shower gel for a perfect whitening effect. But before that, if you're yet to subscribe to this channel, kindly do so now so you don't get to miss out on any of my upcoming videos. So let's get started. To activate your shower gel, you'll be needing a very good whitening shower gel. I use Magic Potion shower gel and trust me, it's really nice on its own. If you look at this, it says bleaching shower gel in 5 days to show you how effective it is. It contains glutathione and arbutin. It also contains SPF 90. It's not compulsory you use this exact type of Magic Potion shower gel. They also have other types. You can try them all out and stick to the one you like best. There are also other good brands of shower gel that are effective as well. If the one you are using currently works for you, you can stick to it as well, okay? You'll be needing dupe shampoo, which is very effective in skin whitening, removal of dark spots and black skin patches. You'll be needing K Brothers Whitening Concentrate. Guys, I've come to love this product. It's really nice and effective as well. You'll be needing Skin Free Milk, which is super effective. As you all know, if yours isn't working for you, then it must be a fake one. Mind you, there are lots of fake skincare products in market, so be sure you're getting your products from a trusted supplier. You'll be needing Tower Snow White powder. You can also use any other Snow White powder, but it should be 50 grams. Lastly, you'll be needing Shalom Stretch Mark Oil to help prevent stretch marks as we lighten our skin. So firstly, I'll shake my shower gel a little, then in a clean bowl, I'll put 4 cups of my Magic Potion shower gel. So next I'll put 62 ml of my skin free milk. After which I'll put 1 Dove shampoo, next I'm putting 3 tablespoons of my K Brothers whitening concentrate, and guys, don't forget to shake it well before using it. Next, I'm putting 2 tablespoons of my shower stretch mark oil. Lastly, I'm putting my Tower Snow White powder, then I'll mix all the products very well before I use my hand mixer. So now I'm done mixing. All you need to do from here is to package your product and it's ready to be used. You can use it both in the morning and at night. To use this, you first wet your body with water, then apply this the same way you apply your body cream before washing out. You don't just pour the shower gel on your sponge and use the lather to wash your skin and expect it to work for you. No, it doesn't work like that, because as you pour your shower gel in your sponge, all the goodies stays in your sponge while you wash your body with just the lather. And also guys, this is a whitening shower gel, so don't forget to exfoliate at least 3 times a week, okay? This is all for today guys. Thanks so much for watching. Hope you found this helpful. If you liked it, do give this video a thumbs up, share with your friends, and also help this channel grow by clicking on the subscribe button below. And when you do, don't forget to click on the notification bell icon beside it to get notified when next I upload a new video. That's where you won't get to miss out on any of my upcoming videos. See you all in my next video. Bye.